Hi everyone, my name is Nikita and welcome to my channel. As an interior designer and architect, it is so tough to maintain the project cost, to maintain how much billing is pending, how much is already done, to find out if a particular project was profitable or no, and then to be creative in delivering your project despite all of this. So in this video, we are going to try and make your life a little easy by informing you how Zoho Books can be used by architects and interior designers to make their life simple as far as GST compliance is concerned, as far as project costing is concerned, as far as dealing with vendors is concerned, etc. So we're going to be talking about how Zoho Books can be used by interior designers and architects. Let's begin. So why would interior designers and architects need Zoho Books? Now, when you're accounting, it's not just accounting anymore. There are a lot of additional functionalities you need. So, for example, if you have multiple projects going on at one time, you would find it really difficult to maintain on Excel project wise, what is the stage of revenue you're at, or what is the stage of invoicing you're at, or what is the stage of costing you're at, how many hours you've already gone with the project, what was the fixed cost of the project, etc. This project-wise handling is given in the default feature of Zoho Books. So you can handle each project separately. Zoho can handle each project separately for you. And at the end, you can get a project-wise profit and loss that informs you whether or not this project was profitable. You can also add project-wise expenses, project-wise income. Now let's take an example where in a particular case, your invoicing is 30% advance and then 50% on stage 1 of delivery and stage 2 the remaining 20%. Okay, this is nothing but progress invoicing. Zoho also supports progress invoicing. So you wouldn't have to keep a track on your own. The software would keep a track for you as to what stage of the invoicing is already completed and what is left. A lot of times as interior designers and architects, you would have to provide estimates to your clients. So right from estimates to invoicing, this whole cycle can be very easily handled in Zoho Books for you. Now, when it comes to vendor management, you can obviously add all your vendors to Zoho. You can handle GST very smoothly. So all the input tax credit can be recorded, bills can be recorded. In fact, your own bills can be pushed to the GST portal through the API that Zoho uses. Because of the GST compliance software, you can push all your invoices directly and there is no hassle of providing month-end reports to your CS because you're going to get those reports readily available on the software. Now, if you raise POs, that is purchase orders to your vendors, you can handle the life cycle from a purchase order to actually receiving the material to converting it into a bill. This life cycle can also be handled in Zoho and you can associate a particular PO to a particular project. Okay, so you can say that this particular material buying is happening for this project and that will be considered as an expense for that particular project. Now, as an architect and interior designer, you would also have a lot of reimbursements on account of travels that you're incurring for the clients, on account of some artifacts that you purchase for the clients. It could be anything. These reimbursements can also be handled very smoothly in the expenses module of Zoho Books. So all in all, by using different functionalities, you should be able to make your life really easy and focus on what is really important, that is the creative aspect. Now, if you want to upload receipts or expenses on the go, you can also do that because there's an app that Zoho Books has. You can upload the expense and the receipt directly on the app. So a lot of transactions can go in through the app. You don't have to necessarily log into the web browser. For some specific aspects, you'll have to log into the web browser, but recording expenses is very easy. Your bank can directly get integrated into Zoho Books and all the transactions that are flowing into the bank will come directly into the books. So all in all, it'll be really helpful for you. Go try Zoho Books and thank me later. You can also get reports. So like I said at the beginning, project-wise handling can be done very easily. So at the end of the particular project, you can get a project-wise profit report saying what were the profits in a particular project, and you can get a number of such reports that will be useful for you. You can get sales by customer, sales by item, reports that will make sense as to, who is probably your largest customer for the year, for the month, for whatever period you're looking for. You can also set up recurring expenses. So if you have something such as rent, which is recurring, then this rent can become a recurring expense in Zoho, right? So you can do a lot of these things, and I can help you set it up, or please go ahead and set it up yourself. Try the free version. If you want some additional features, you can go for their standard version, whatever suits you. Let me give you some bonus tips. You can use Zoho for customer portal. So your customers can log into their own portal. Now that looks a little formal. It'll look like, you are maintaining systems very appropriately. They can log in and they can access their own estimates and invoices if you wish. I'll leave in the description a link to access the software. It's available on web and on the mobile app. Go try it today, and if you face any issues, please ask me in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to answer. Before you log out of this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Nikita and I will see you in the next one.